Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, or it could be Tuesday. It just depends on when you're watching this video. The 16th or 17th of November. And here is our learning target for the day. Explain how the artistic expression of various groups represents the cultural heritage of North Carolina. So today, we're going to continue our discussion about North Carolina culture from last week, and we're going to think about culture in North Carolina. So, I just want you to think about the fact that culture, or our state's culture, is a combination of the culture of each of its regions. We have our three regions: the mountains, the Piedmont, and the coastal plains. And there are specific cultural elements that make each unique, again, making up our entire state's culture. Think about what you already know about the people who settled in these regions and how they influence the culture. And think about how communities have changed over time and how new groups of people moving into communities have influenced that culture, or how they will influence it in the future. Okay, so what we're going to do today is you're going to be doing some research. You're going to choose a cultural attraction or event listed here below. You can either choose the one from the mountain region, which is Blowing Rock Winterfest, the Piedmont region, which is the Catawba Valley Pottery and Antiques Festival, or you can choose the Coastal Plain region, which is the North Carolina Maritime Museum. And you're going to, whichever one of these you choose, you're going to click on the link. That's linked, so I can click it and it takes me to a new site. And once you've picked that, I want you to bookmark your website. So how you do that is you press the little star. This window is going to pop up, and you're going to title it NC Culture. Okay. That way, the next time you want to go to your website, all you have to do is it's either going to appear here in the toolbar. If you're like me, you have a whole lot of bookmarks, and you go and you click that little thing, and it's the newest one, so it's the one farthest to the bottom. Okay, so after you have chosen the one you want to do, this one, that one, or that one, you're going to bookmark that website, and then you're going to go to the next slide. Okay, now that we've done that, we've chosen the website we're going to use. Now you're going to do some research using that website. And you're either going to record your answers on a blank Google Doc or on paper. It doesn't matter, whatever's easiest for you. You need to make sure that if you do a Google Doc, then you star it. What I mean by that is here's my Google Drive. I'm going to create a new doc, right? You know how to do that. And then I'm going to title it NC Culture Research. Okay, so now that I'm out of that, I see it. It's going to show up for me. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to press add to starred. Then I can go into my starred drive, and it's going to appear there, right there. Okay. So I am going to star my research, and then I'm going to answer these questions. What is the name of the event or attraction? What location is it? What region is it in? What city is it in? Whoops, I'm sorry. What is it? Tell me about it. Describe it. When did it start? Who started it? Why is it important? How many visitors attend each year? What's the background, the history on it? And then how does this event or attraction represent the culture of the region? So if it's specific to a certain region, it's going to have a specific influence on it. Give me information about that. And be prepared, because then using all that research that you have done, then in your next social studies lesson, you're going to be putting this into Google Slides. So make sure you have that research done. Write it on paper, do it in your Google Doc, and star it. It's totally up to you. But make sure you are prepared to create Google Slides on one of those attractions or events that you have researched. All right, friends, that's it for today. Good job.